Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about number system. Right? Here you see. Today we'll discuss about number system. In number system. First one will define the natural numbers. If you remember that natural numbers are the counting numbers. Counting numbers are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash 125 up to infinity. These are natural numbers, and these are known as counting numbers also, and it is a set of numbers which can be represented by the letter n. N is a natural number, right? That means it starts from 1 and up to infinity. 1 to infinity, that is set of natural numbers, and these are known as natural numbers, and it is represented by capital N. It is natural number. Next one is whole number. Remember that whole number, a set of numbers including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash up to infinity. This is a set of numbers, right? It is represented by W, that is natural number. That is known as whole number. It is whole number, whole number, whole number. This is whole number. That is whole number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinity. This is represented by W, and this is whole number. And third one is, if we represent it in a number line, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, dash up to infinity. And also if you take the negative numbers, that is number 1, minus 2, etc. up to infinity, then this set of natural number is known as integer, and it is represented by, here you see, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to infinity. These are positive integers. These are negative integers, including 0. And this can be represented by the letter Z, that is integer. The fourth one, we can define it as P by Q form, like the number 1 by 2 or 3 by 4, 3 by 4, minus 5 by 6. These are the numbers. We say it as rational numbers, and it can be represented by the letter small r. Rational number can be defined as P by Q, where P and Q are integers, where P and Q are integers, Q are integers, but Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0, right? Now suppose natural number can be defined in this way. A set of natural numbers can be defined in this way. Suppose this is a set of natural numbers, right? and it is here you see it is represented by n. It is 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, and this is represented by the letter n. The natural numbers are counting numbers, and if we draw the natural numbers are part of whole numbers like this. If we draw a right letter 0, that means 0 and natural number, we are getting the w, that is whole number. This is the set of whole numbers. This is natural numbers, this is whole numbers. Now if we take another set, that is integer, that is natural number, whole number, and if we take the negative numbers also, that is -1, -2, -3, etc. up to infinity, then we are also getting this as the integer, or this is represented by z, right? And if we take this whole, that means if I write these are rational numbers R, set of rational numbers R can be defined as p by q, that is p by q, and p and q are integers, but q is not equal to 0, that is R can be defined as p by q. P by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, q is not equal to 0, then you see this is the set, right? First you see natural numbers are 1 to infinity, that is represented by n. With this natural number, if we put a 0, then we are getting the whole number. And if we take the negative integers also, -1, -2, -3 up to -infinity, then we get the integers. That means these are subset of all these rational numbers, right? Natural number is subset of whole number. Whole number is subset of integer, and all these integers, whole number and natural numbers are subset of rational numbers. Now we'll deal with rational numbers. That rational numbers can be written as, suppose 1, 2, 3 is the natural 1, 2, 3, 4 is all the natural numbers are as can be written as rational numbers? Yes, because 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Here you see 1 by 1 means it can be written as p by q. And you see 1 is also integer, p is also integer, q is also integer, this is also integer, this is also integer. That means all the natural numbers are rational numbers. These are all rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Are all the whole numbers rational numbers? Yes. These are all whole numbers. Because here you see 0. 0 can be written as 0 by 1. That means it can be written as p by q. And q is not equal to 0. Therefore, whole numbers are also within rational numbers. Also within rational numbers. Rational numbers. Right? Integer. Integer is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, and -1, -2, -3 up to infinity, -infinity. These are integers. And integers also can be written as p in the form of p by q. Suppose -1, it can be written as -1 by 1. Right? P is the integer also, and q is also integer. Therefore, it is all the that means integers are also rational numbers within rational numbers. Within rational numbers. These are also rational numbers. Rational numbers. Right? This is the introduction of number system. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.